All right, guys, so I'm out here at Prescott track, and the two jokers that I done beat, one is Leon. Leon say he's bringing his new car out, and then his buddy Julian, which his Mustang is really fast. We're gonna go at it head to head. Hey man, y'all, everybody, I want to introduce y'all to Zombie Julian. So hey, he came in and he said, let's line him up, Demonology. He said, I want your soul, but I told him, you got everything to lose. Come on.
For the record, he going to retirement home today. Third time's the charm.
That lovely gentleman here, he's the one that built that.
Oh, is this the Shaggy build this one, Scooby-Doo?
It's been since I've seen that.
You don't recognize me like that from the front. You only recognize the back.
Oh my goodness. I didn't even know you had this thing.
Yeah.
What? All right. Well, it'll do.
All right, y'all, I gotta go to my freezer and get this Gap sauce so I can serve it up. It's just a 6, nice and cold. Woo. Y'all, she asking me, who am I talking to? Talking to my subscribers, that's who I'm talking to. Do you want to talk to them early in the morning? Look, y'all, now she don't want nobody to see her running around here with a pink robe on.
Trying to get my stuff.
You trying to get your stuff? Look what you doing to my tires. You messing with my race tires? I'm trying to get my Gap sauce. She asking questions. Can't talk to nobody. I can't even have a conversation with my subscribers. Who you talking to? I'm talking to the Gap sauce. Look at these Gap sauce bottles ready. Woo! I stop at Quick Trip and get some ice. Put a little ice on them. Look at all that Nitrous Outlet. Oh, I'm finna serve it up nice and cold. All right, guys, so I'm out here at Prescott track, and the secret race is with Itsjusta6 and the two jokers that I done beat. One is Leon. Leon say he's bringing his new car out, and then his buddy Julian, which his Mustang is really fast. We're gonna go at it head to head. And anyway, I'm at Prescott Dragway. It's the first time I've ever been here. Hold on, Karen. So the dude washed some car parts in the dishwasher, and now when you open the dishwasher, what does it smell like?
It smells just like his damn garage.
Okay, let's get this straight. This is our dishwasher. It wasn't her dishwasher.
That make it even worse.
Yeah, it's our dishwasher.
Yeah, Chris, why would you wash car parts in the dishwasher? That's not a part washer.
The question is, why wouldn't I wash
That's not a part washer, Chris.
it? Washed them and never cleaned.
Oh man, boy, y'all too much for
That
me.
shit is strong.
All right, I got this youngster out here again. Once again, he trying to send me to the old folks home, y'all.
Again, you going to the old folks home today.
Yeah, so what's gonna happen this time?
The same Mustang.
Look, didn't I tell you about guns and butter?
I told you to take your medicine. The same Mustang that you made the video about will be here shortly.
Well, he can come on and get his revenge. Tell him I said, come on.
Oh, he'll be here in just a second.
Tell him I said, come on.
For the record, he going to retirement home today. Third time's the charm. You know damn good and well Herman don't never clean this fucking car.
So guys, if you like to see racing, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. I have a lot of people watching but not subscribing. It doesn't take much to click that subscribe button, but that shows me that you like what I'm doing when I'm racing on the track and not just running down the street. We're in Arkansas, and Lime Cat's gonna walk the track. He knows all these tracks backwards and forward, and Lime Cat is gonna tell me what this track is all about. If it's sticky icky to turn it up. Well, I know you told me that Prescott had some new people here that was prepping the track. So they really turned their game up.
I haven't been here racing, but I know my friends come down here and race all the time, and they've been talking about how good it is.
Woo, look at that Lime Cat, it's sticky icky.
What's
up, baby?
Long time
What's
no
up, baby?
see, man. Been a while since you've seen this thing.
I know it. You rolling gears?
No, it's Turbo 400.
Oh, Oh, thank you, my brother. You came over to the dark side.
It's not supercharged no more.
Man, what you got going on with this thing, man?
That lovely gentleman here, he's the one that built that.
Oh, is this a Shaggy build this from Scooby-Doo?
Oh my God. Let me go see this car over here. It's been a bit since I've seen that.
You don't recognize it like that from the front. You only recognize the back.
Bro, what? Oh my goodness.
Hey.
With the car. All right. Well, it'll do.
Good water. This man trying to get his soul off the altar of Mopar. He already got a favor because he drove up in a Dodge. But I'm gonna keep you there.
It's actually working.
Leon, I saw you go down the track. You guys real small, real fast. I thought my glasses was messed up. I'm sorry, Julius.
You know what it is? From old folks. Dementia.
No, you know how it is. You know how it is.
Without your walker anyway.
Hey, you know.
You took your medicine tonight? It's 10 o'clock.
Boy, y'all get on out of here.
You know you got to remember this tomorrow.
You see, hey, but I remember gapping them.
All right, we're going to see that gap.
I remember that.
I'm throwing that shooting.
You ain't going to drop that laundry on me.
Hey, you in trouble? No, they
showed
seen it.
Yeah.
They seen it already. We got a little minor changes on it, but here in about a week or so, we'll be.
Boy, get on out of here with that.
I'm gonna get my lick back.
You know where I'm at? I'm at the track racing.
I'm gonna show you.
Come get your some.
You gonna be coming track no more.
Julian, you ready? You ready to get this race?
Yeah.
Come on, let's do it. Let's do it. Ain't no thinking about it. I know it's ready to go. No, I don't want to see that part. I already saw you go down the track. You got real small, real fast. Yes, you did. You like, zip. I was like, whoa, my goodness. Hey, Earl, I'm getting ready to race that white Mustang. Okay. All right, sir, I'll call you right back.
brother. Get him, Leroy. That's the way. Get him, Leroy. Get
I know he mad. At the same time, I know he mad.
Driver's tire stuck. Okay. And that's why you went.
Yeah.
It was a team when you made that video.
Hey,
It was a team when you made that video.
It sure was, but Julian man up and came and got his soul off all the motors. Yours still
I'm
out.
gonna get mine.
Oh, yeah, I can't run no more. I can't run no more. I can't run no more.
I can't wait to make. We making memes all week.
Julia!
All week.
Hey man, why you give me that dirty laundry, man? I ain't trying to, don't be dropping that laundry on me like that.
Get my soul. Get my soul.
Hey man, I was gonna give it to you when you drove up in that Dodge, man. Hey, we're running again. I'm gonna put my 9-inch in there and I'll come find you.
Hey, tell them about that. Tell them on YouTube.
Yeah.
All the airplane piping work. You see what they say? You see what they say?
Hey, that man say that space shuttle piping work. Yeah, they told him he got more piping than the space shuttle. Gavin, I'm not gonna be able to run you, brother. I took it as much as I would want to, but I'm broke trying to keep Julian on the wall.
Yeah, look.
Hey, you broke. Hey, you broke. That ain't no box body. I don't know what that is. That's a nobody. Then you call that car nobody.
Oh, we owe you all.
Cause don't nobody know what that is.
All week. I already got to making memes already.
Now remember, I came 10 hours this time.
Hey, man.
And he's saying after I get my first tested off the trailer, he's saying he can't run this time. So it ain't me. Well, I guess the black car was too scary tonight, man.
Sit your ass down.
Man, I got mind control over Debo. He be like, shut the f up. I be quiet, but when he leave, I be talking again.
Look how they look once they get their soul back. Look at it.
Oh, you right here. I mean, we've been celebrating.
Y'all been celebrating?
Popping bottles.
Oh, come on, man.
Out here doing charity work, huh?
Yeah. Doing charity work. Leon's still on the Alto Mopar up there with the rest of them.
You think that was bad? Hold tight.
Boy, didn't stay there but 1 day, well, 1 week, and he got up off of there. You been on there how long, Leon?
You ran.
How long you been on there, Leon?
You ran.
How long you been on there, Leon?
It's been about 2 years. Don't worry about it. I got a trick for you.
You got a trick for me?
Yeah, I got a trick. You better do something better than that.
Hey, man, he got Yeezy on his side. That's how he got off. Cause Yeezy was right there helping him. Yeezy was like, I can't be up here like that.
Since you threw the parachute on, he should pack it for you, right?
Yep.
Hey, man, I'm not doing that man laundry. I'm not doing. Hey, you got your husband back. You don't have to worry.
I'm ready to get in those YouTube comments now.
That's right. You don't have to worry about him doing zombie things. Sir, I want to say thank you. You have a fine track here. This is amazing.
Thank you.
I am very, very impressed.
You're welcome.
Yes, sir. Excellent job. Excellent track. Look at him. He happy. His daddy back. Hey, look, he over there dancing. He can play with his daddy now. He didn't take long.
I can't get it.
Hey, man, don't squeeze me on my ass. Stop it. Your wife is right there.
I couldn't help it, man. It's
Man.
legs.
Yeah. All the meat went up in the middle.
Hey, whoa.
Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also click the bell. Check out the videos up at the top, and if you get a chance, check out our merch store. Peace.